Now make connection from request replay to receiver. Select here option HTTP. Okay. Now externalize this window. There below HTTP configuration. Okay. So here we need to give you the address of that receiver system. Okay.
What, ma'am?
Here we need to give the address of a receiver system.
Okay, just like as the first arrow.
One minute, let me share the address. Check chat. Check chat box. Copy that address. Okay. And paste there. Okay. So this is the standard web service. Okay. This is standard website, Northwind website. On that website, means customer data is there. So we have to fetch that data. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Well,
So this is the standard website. This is standard web service. From this web service, we have to fetch the customer data.
ma'am, you are
Okay.
not audible. What you?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Have you said anything after pasting this link?
No,
Because you are
no.
not audible. yet.
Now choose method as a get. Okay. Now select authentication type as a expand that authentication type.
Okay. Authentication type. Ma'am, this one.
Yes.
Which one?
Select basic. Select none.
What, ma'am?
None.
Yeah.
Not. Authentication type. It is that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now minimize this window. And now before the request replay, add one content modifier. In search step, search content modifier. Place before the request replay on that arrow. Place.
Yeah.
make some space between start and content modifier. Take that start left side. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. No issue. Open that content modifier. Open configuration that below window. Maximize.
I'm here.
Okay. Now tell me why we are using this content modifier. Last 2 days I have explained why we are using content modifier.
Use this because changing or modifying the data.
Which data?
Which sent from one system to another. From sender. We are using this content modifier to modify the content or to modify the incoming payload. Okay. Incoming payload. Okay. Now click on message header. Add. In name type accept. Okay. In source value type application/JSON. What now? In source type application A in small. Okay. Slash. Not that forward slash. Okay, sorry. Backward. What now? Backward slash. This one? JSON. Ma'am, in capital? No, in small. Okay. So here, what it indicates, we are getting data from sender system in which format? In JSON format. And that content is a constant. That content type is a constant. So what we are doing, whatever data is coming from sender, that data is in a JSON format and we are accepting that data. And that data type is a constant. Okay? We cannot change that data. Okay. Now click on second option, exchange property. Add. Type there query. 1 minute. Open chat box. Check the query. Okay, 1 minute. Now explain me this query. What is the meaning of this query? Everyone learn DBMS subjects, right? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then explain me this query.
Select the customer ID, the company name, country, which applies after the filter of the country name, which is equal to Germany.
And what is the meaning of that top equal to 2?
It is the meaning of ID of that customer. top. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, the top is equal to 2 is not understandable. Can you tell us? Okay. So top is equal to 2 means we are selecting top 2 records. Okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am. And on that website there is means huge data is available on that website. So from that data we are selecting only customer ID, company name and country. Yeah. Okay. And now we have used one condition. We have to select only those records in which record country is equal to the Germany. Yes, ma'am. Okay. If country field is having value as a Germany, that record we have to select. We have to fetch. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now copy. Means the vast database I have to choose only top 2. Yes. There are number of records are available on that website, but we are selecting only top 2 records. Okay. Only that top 2 records which will satisfy this query, which will satisfy this condition. Only those records we have to select. Yes, ma'am. Now understood? Yes. Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now copy that query. Yeah. Yes. Paste there. Okay, now minimize. Okay, now open that HTTP configuration. This one. Configuration arrow. Yes, ma'am. Have to maximize this. Externalize. Maximize. Okay. Open connection. Now, what we have to do? We have to use that query. What we have maintained in content modifier. We have to use that query here. Okay. But by using expression, we will going to use that query. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay, now type $, curly bracket, type property, dot query. Okay. So if content under the content modifier in property, we have created one name as a query, right? Go back to that content modifier. Content modifier. From where? Content modifier first palette function. Externalize, maximize, configuration. Okay. Ma'am, in externalize or anywhere else? Maximize. Connection.
No, this is HTTP configuration. I asked you to open content modifier configuration.
Okay.
Exchange property. So in this property, we have created one variable as a query. Okay.
Yes.
And to that variable, we have assigned this value. $top is equal to 2 and that complete that thing. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood?
Yes. This is a source value which fetch of the data.
This name, we have given one name
Query.
as a query, right? So this
Yes.
is variable name.
Okay. This is the actually the address. Something.
This is variable name, and to that variable we have given this, we have assigned this value, this source value. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now what we are doing in HTTP configuration, we are trying to fetch this query. We are trying to use this query using expression. Now go back to your that HTTP configuration, sender side, receiver side.
And this one?
Receiver side. Connection. See, now what we are doing using expression, we are trying to use that query here. In query field, we have used one expression, right? Dollar property dot query. Okay, now click on save and deploy.
This one?
In blue color, there is
this button.
Yes. Now deploy, third option. Deploy means to run or execute. Click on yes. Okay. Now open second tab and open your Postman application. In web browser, take new tab and open a Postman application. Have you not installed Postman application?
Yes, no, I have installed. Before you study, you were installed.
Easy. In recommended that Postman recently added. Click on that.
Yes.
Okay. Click on collection.
Collection.
Left side, first option. Okay. Left side, there is one option, create collection. Click on that. Shivam, click on collection.
Yes, ma'am, I'm clicking this.
Again, click. See, one option is coming. Create. Yes. Click. Okay, now give name as a HTTP adapter. See, in blue color, that name is coming. New collection. Erase that and HTTP. Yes. Okay.
Next, ma'am.
Now click on plus.
Just
After new collection, there is a one plus sign is coming. See, no, above, upside, not here.
Ma'am, there.
In that mid window, that plus sign is coming. Click on that. Okay, now go back to your integration suite. HTTP adapter deployment failed. Duplicate that tab, integration suite tab.
And this one, duplicate.
No, second, integration suite. Click on second tab. You already duplicated. Okay. Click on monitor option. Below that design option is there. Monitor. Click on that. Integration and API.
Yes.
Click on that one.
And this one?
Yes. Okay. Anshuman.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your Airflow is activated?
Yes, ma'am.
It's deployed, successfully deployed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shivam.
Yes, ma'am.
Your trial account will take time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, Anshuman, share your screen. Refresh after some time. Okay, Shivam. Okay. Copy this URL. This is the endpoint. Airflow endpoint is generated here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Copy this.
Yes, ma'am. Copied.
Now, use this endpoint in Postman app. Test.
Yes,
Select
ma'am.
authorization. Select basic. Okay. Select client ID and client security is already changed. Okay. Now, click on send.
Ma'am, this one is red.
No issue. It will come in red color only. Send. Unauthorized. Okay. Remove that client ID. Curly bracket. Where is that client ID? And yesterday we created, na? No. Remove it. It is appearing automatically.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a client
remove.
ID. Ma'am, it is saved
Okay.
already.
Click on that. Go back to that page. That page only. Remove. Type only one curly bracket. Scroll down. Type C.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have an
That
idea of.
thing is not coming.
Ma'am, give me a time. I want to show something. Wait, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I use this technique if this not work. This one.
But every time it is appearing.
I don't know, ma'am, why it is
Okay.
happened.
Okay. Now click on send. Okay. Now check how many records you have received.
Countries or
Okay. Our condition is satisfied.
yes, ma'am. But ma'am, we got a top 2 record.
But we are getting multiple, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go back to your condition.
Ma'am, in integration shoot.
Integration suit.
There is a connection.
Property dot query. Fine. Exchange property. See, here you have used name. Here you are using capital Q.
Yes, ma'am.
And in HTTP configuration, check. I think you are using small q there.
In
Check.
HTTP.
In HTTP receiver side.
Okay, this one, ma'am.
Here also you have to use capital Q.
Okay, ma'am.
If you are using capital Q there, then similar. You have to use similar name here. It is case sensitive, so you have to use. I mean, you have to take care of all that cases.
Okay, ma'am.
Change that Q to capital Q. Otherwise, that query will not work. Now save and deploy. If you are doing any changes in iFlow, then every time you have to save and deploy. Okay. Now check in Postman.
We have to send again.
And again, yes. Okay, now check.
Copy. There is a no. Yes, ma'am. Only there is a two name. Two.
We are getting only 2 record, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now our query is working fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you understood how to work with HTTP adapter, okay, and how to use query and how to maintain values in all parameters, right?
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Shivam, Neer,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, this we have to read this data from the Northwind model site.
Sorry.
Ma'am, we have to read. We are reading a data from Northwind model website.
Yes, Northwind website, web services.
Okay, ma'am.
And we are reading only customer data.
Customer data.
Mm.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Shivam, show me your screen and show me iFlow.